I always try to, if we do a demo or a lab, I always try to record it, so don't freak out, like I have my phone set up there, because I'm trying to remember to record, so that if people miss, they can see, right? We want to be able to all have the same experience.
Is that can hot?
I'm not touching it, so I don't know. Do you want me to find out?
Yeah.
So I think
Give me a
we'll
good
make an
observation.
observation.
Yeah, it's a good observation, Billy. Write it down.
Give me.
You want me to know?
No, I don't need to in case I should just hot. No.
Let's go.
No hot. Give me.
I wanted to see your fingerprints left on there.
Alright, put cans on hot.
So, since some people aren't really good at observing, aka paying attention, what's different about that flame right now?
Blue now.
And blue.
Smaller and it's, there's like a little orange at the top, right? But for the most part, it's blue.
No, it's just blue.
Oh, I keep thinking that thing at the top looks orange, but I am old and maybe I can't see well.
It's kind of like how, you know, how you think that we think that everything like south is Detroit. Most of that's blue, so I mean, it's pretty much blue.
Okay, so in both those cases, you're wrong, but that's fine.
Wait, Mr. Beast, I have a question. So
Not right now. Right now, you have observations. Questions come later. You guys get so busy with all the things you want to say and do that you miss all the things that happen around you. I will let you know. It's quite a bit smaller than it was, right?
Yeah.
Right, I guess it's still there though.
And it's blue.
Sometimes when people know a thing, they like to say it over and over again. It makes them seem like they're right, you know. Look what I know. I know this thing.
You say it like 6 times a day, don't you?
What, that is blue?
No, that like whenever you teach it. So it must be.
Yeah, like right now I would say this thing like, hey, let's focus on making observations instead of that. It is still going. It's really small, so if you have like the wrong angle, you might not even see it.
Yeah, like me.
Yeah, I'll be a shadow so everybody can still see.
You did so much.
Well, I feel like I can still see it.
Okay, just keep watching. That flame, as far as I can tell, I didn't say stop yet, so there's still something to see. That seems dangerous. Still there, it's still really, it's just really small, I can still see it. But it is really small.
I'm sorry, Alex.
Still there, just really small.
Oh, yeah. It really is though, too. I told you. I knew it. If
anyone need to go to the bathroom before we do the next thing?
I already did.
All right, I actually do have to.
Wait, Mr.
Yeah,
What if you do it from the other end? Fill it back up, open the top, light on fire, what happens?
open the top as in take the cap off?
Yeah, light on fire.
Well, then nothing will happen.
I don't know.
It could
Very
be
good
all-
question.
Can I ask you my question now?
Hot?
It's
No?
warm.
Did anybody miss any observations that they could have made when they got busy jumping? Like, what happened that made you jump?
Dishes flamed inside.
Yeah, there was. Did you guys see that? Like, there was a, right?
Yeah.
So, I know that some people got like, how many people missed it? How many people missed it popping? Oh, you two did? You mean you were paying attention? No way. Like, it wasn't a legitimate question. I was just trying to see if anybody would rat themselves out for not paying attention.
Oh.
Yeah, and you're like, oh yeah, we were paying attention for sure. I was busy like playing with Mary's hair and giggling.
I was trying to hold you a Minto.
Mhm.
Not playing with their hair.
Okay, so anyway, lots of stuff going on there. And I know before I send you on this next thing, be aware that I'm aware that this is gonna be a frustrating time for you. So, I'm gonna ask you a question, and then I'm gonna tell you that I don't want you to get the right answer.
Why?
I'm gonna ask you a question, then I'm gonna ask you to just go try to do the best that you can to make sense out of it, okay? That's a different thing than what you're used to. But I need you to be comfortable living with some uncertainty. And I need you to be comfortable with the idea that if you guys think that you're doing your best job to make sense out of something, that has to be good enough, right? That there isn't, and especially in science, there isn't always the right answer. That sometimes the best we can do is just make sense out of the most that we can. And you also have to know that how we're gonna do this, like you guys do some individual work, some small group work, some whole group work, and our hope will be that by the time we get done doing that whole group work, not that we know the right answer, but that it makes more sense to us than it does right now. Cool? And I know that's gonna be frustrating for you, because I know that that's not how you think school goes, but it's how life actually goes. And it's how science for sure goes. So that's what we're gonna be up to. So if we can, do as fast as we can, get back to where you came from, which means you have to move the tables, and I'm gonna move you on to the next thing.
Give me your phone.
Doesn't it like?
There's nothing. Basic commodity. Awesome.
Oh my god, I was like,
Try to get the tables back to a place so they look like they did before. Please, thank you.
Whatever you do,